Hi everyone, I am Usmani, your mathematics teacher. So today we will discuss about polynomials and exercise 2.2. The main topic in this exercise like relation between zeros and polynomials. Okay. So topic is relation between zeros and coefficient of polynomials. Okay. तो relation between zeros and coefficients. In the previous class, we will already discussed like types of polynomial, nature of polynomials, and zeros of the polynomials. But right now, the basic thing relation between zeros and coefficient of polynomials. So first of all, take a quadratic polynomial. Take a quadratic polynomial like ax square plus bx plus c. This is the trinomial but quadratic polynomial. Okay. So here maximum degree is 2. Maximum degree is 2. तो इस पॉलिनोमियल्स के 2 पॉसिबल आंसर आने की चांसेस रहते हैं. Now let alpha and beta, this is the Greek letters alpha and beta, zeros of alpha and beta, zeros of quadratic polynomial. So there are two zeros alpha and beta. So first of all taking the summation and then taking the product. So part first, sum of zeros like alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So minus b by a means what? Minus sign and coefficient of x. Coefficient of x here is b and in the denominator a. So here coefficient of x square is a. So what is the relation between zeros and coefficient? Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, but minus b means minus coefficient of x, a coefficient of x square is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Okay. And second relation, product of zeros. Product of zeros means alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is c by a. C, this is the constant. C constant and upon again coefficient of x square is a. coefficient of x square is a. So in this exercise, like exercise 2.2, two formula is there, like sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. When quadratic polynomial is given, and now for cubic polynomial, take a polynomial like px, is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the multinomial like first, second, third, fourth term, and polynomial also, but maximum degree is 3. So this is the cubic polynomial. जब क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल है तो इसके कितने पॉसिबल आंसर आने के चांसेस हैं 3. let alpha, beta and gamma, these are Greek letters. Okay, alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of given cubic polynomial. Okay, so again, sum of zeros like alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Again minus b by a. And product of zeros. Product of zeros alpha, beta and gamma. Product of zeros alpha, beta and gamma. Minus b by a, alpha, beta and gamma is equal to minus b by a. And third case, sum and product. Sum and product of zeros, like product of zeros is equal to alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, and sum and product of zeros means alpha, beta plus beta, gamma plus gamma, alpha is equal to c by a, Okay, so there are two different polynomials like quadratic polynomials and cubic polynomials. Quadratic polynomials, in quadratic polynomials degree of polynomial is 2. So suppose two different zeros like a, b and alpha, beta. ठीक, तो अल्फा बीटा सपोज करने पे हमारे पास दो कंडीशन होती है, एक समेशन के लिए, एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए. तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी बाई ए. माइनस बी किसको कोरिलेट करता है? कोफिशिएंट एक्स को. ए किसके साथ है? कोफिशिएंट एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ. कांस्टेंट वैल्यू क्या है? सी. एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस सी बाई ए. तो वेयर इज सी? सी इज द कांस्टेंट कोफिशिएंट एंड ए कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. एंड नाउ फॉर क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल, standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here d is a constant value. Now let alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Like sum of zeros like alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b by a, and product of zeros alpha beta gamma c by minus d by a. Minus d by a means this is the last term, okay, and third zeros combine both summation and product also. So sum and product of zeros like we can write here alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, okay. So these are formula for solving exercise 2.2. So let's start and come to the exercise 2.2. First question says find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. First of all, find the zeros of the polynomial, यानी जो आंसर आपके पास आए उस आंसर को वेरीफाई करिए कि जो हमारे पास पॉलिनोमियल्स गिवन हैं उसके कोफिशिएंट वेरीफाई हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे, ओके. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पार्ट फर्स्ट. Solution. The given quadratic polynomial. The given quadratic polynomial like x square minus 2x minus 8, okay. First of all, comparing this polynomial from quadratic polynomial, okay. So comparing by ax square plus bx plus c. So here coefficient of x square a, but there coefficient of x square is 1 hidden form, okay. So a is equal to 1, and here coefficient of x b, but there coefficient of x minus 2. So b is equal to minus 2, and here c is the constant value, but there c is minus 8. Now apply the formula. We know that sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So here minus b is already minus 2, so minus minus plus 2 upon a means 1, so main answer is 2. And now product of zeros. Product of zeros alpha into beta is equal to c by a, and value of c is minus 8, and value of a is minus b by a. So product of zeros x square minus 2x minus 8, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 8. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, so minus minus plus 2 by 1, no problem. And product of zeros alpha into beta c by a, where c is minus 8 and a is minus 1, so answer is minus 8, okay. So these are two zeros of a quadratic polynomial, means 2 and minus 8. तो 2 माइनस 8 की वैल्यू को लेकर के हम एक क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल भी जनरेट कर सकते हैं, बट एक क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल्स को रिजॉल्व करके हमने उसकी दो डिफरेंट वैल्यूज फाइंड कर दिया, 2 एंड माइनस 8. बट इसको वेरीफाई करना है, फॉर वेरिफिकेशन. तो वेरिफिकेशन पे हमने क्या पढ़ा है, माइनस बी बाई ए को कंपेयर किससे किया आपने, माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स. तो कंपेयर करने के लिए हम इसको यहीं पे कर देते हैं, माइनस बी बाई ए मीन्स इज इक्वल टू 2 बाई 1 इज इक्वल टू 2, बट माइनस बी मीन्स व्हाट, minus coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x is minus 2, minus minus plus upon 1. Coefficient of x square already 1. So here again 2 is equal to 2, verified. And second zeros, c by a. C by a means what? Minus 8. Okay, is equal to, and coefficient c means what? Constant value. Constant value is minus 8. And a, coefficient of x square, value of coefficient of x square is 1. So minus 8. So minus 8 and minus 8 are equal. यानी जो हम लोग ने डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूले से सॉल्व किया उससे भी हमारा आंसर सेम आए, और जब हम लोग ने पर्टिकुलर उस पॉलिनोमियल्स के कोफिशिएंट्स को कंपेयर किया तो भी हमारे आंसर सेम आए. फाइनली वी कैन से दैट वेरीफाइड. ओके, तो इस तरीके से एक्सरसाइज 2.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के पास 6 पार्ट है. ओके, and all 6 part is the quadratic polynomial. Okay, so take one more question. Like question number 4. Question number 4 says the given polynomial is 4u square plus 8u. Okay, so first of all directly comparing by quadratic polynomial. After comparing by quadratic ax square plus bx plus c, then we obtain the values like coefficient of x square is a, and here coefficient of x square is 4, but यहाँ पर x square के प्लेस में क्या है? डिफरेंट वेरिएबल u square है, तो a की वैल्यू क्या जनरेट हुई? 4. and here b is equal to coefficient of x is b, but there coefficient of u is only 8. And here constant value c, but there no any constant value. So c is equal to 0. And again apply the formula. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here minus b means 8 and a means 4. 4 1 the 4, 4 2 are 8. So answer is minus 2. First case. And second case, product of zeros means alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C is 0 and a is 4. So 0.4 is 0. Okay. And now for verification. वेरिफिकेशन के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? सम ऑफ जीरोस इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी बाई ए इज इक्वल टू, माइनस बी मीन्स माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स. माइनस बी के लिए क्या होगा? कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स. सो हियर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स के प्लेस पे क्या है? u. तो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ u यूज करेंगे तो माइनस 8 लगाएंगे. a किसके साथ होता है? x स्क्वायर का. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ u स्क्वायर इज 4 रख दिया, सॉल्व किया तो भी इसका आंसर क्या आया? माइनस 2, जो हमारे केस से टैली हो गया. एंड नाउ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस अल्फा इनटू बीटा इज इक्वल टू c बाय a, वेयर वैल्यू ऑफ c मींस कांस्टेंट वैल्यू, बट हियर नो एनी कांस्टेंट वैल्यू इज देयर, सो टेकिंग 0, and a means coefficient of x square, but here u square, value of 4. 0.4 means 0. Second case also verified. So finally this polynomial is verified and relation between the coefficient and zeros are equal. Verified. Okay, so finally what is the relation between zeros and polynomials? What is the relation between zeros and polynomials? The main thing, zeros of the polynomials based upon alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, but coefficient of polynomials means like coefficient of x square, कांस्टेंट या कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x0, है ना, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x0 हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x to the power 0, because x to the power 0 is equal to always 1. तो 1 हमारे लिए क्या होती है? मिसिंग वैल्यूज होती है, तो कांस्टेंट की प्लेस में कोई भी वैल्यू हम वहाँ रख सकते हैं. तो इस तरीके से हम इसको अपने इस फॉर्मूले को एक बार इससे फाइंड आउट करेंगे और इस वैल्यू से कंपेयर करेंगे. तो ये कंप्लीट क्या कहलाएगा? रिलेशन बिटवीन जीरोस एंड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ अ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, so in exercise 2.2 there are two questions, but in first questions 6 part and question number 2 also 6 part. So first of all, question number 1, all parts attempt yourself at your home, and question number 2, the zeros are given, then what will the value and what will the conditions of a polynomial. So find the quadratic polynomial, each the given number as the sum and the product of its zeros respectively. So first of all attempt yourself, otherwise in the next class we will solve it. Okay, thank you so much.